Hi and welcome to AI Real Highlights for Conveyancing Newcastle, reliable residential property conveyancing services in Belmont, New South Wales. I'm your host, Connie. Let's dive in, shall we? Today, we're shining a spotlight on Conveyancing Newcastle, who are truly experts in residential property conveyancing. They ensure a smooth experience for clients right here in Belmont, New South Wales. What sets them apart? Their strong emphasis on efficiency and speed. Their skilled team expertly handles everything from timely searches and preparing contracts to facilitating smooth settlements. They boast comprehensive knowledge of conveyancing laws, combined with a commitment to clear communication and meticulous attention to detail. This allows them to navigate even the most complex transactions, significantly minimizing errors or delays. You'll truly appreciate their reliability, professionalism, and transparency, ensuring exceptional customer service. Key benefits include swift property transactions, expert legal guidance, and transparent communication, making them a trusted partner. Now, you might be wondering, how exactly can Conveyancing Newcastle help me? Well, they understand that navigating residential property conveyancing can feel overwhelming, but they're here to simplify it. Their reliable and professional team guides you through every single step, ensuring you have all the information needed for informed decisions. With their transparent approach, you're always kept in the loop, so you won't feel out of touch during your property transaction. Whether you're buying or selling, they're committed to providing a seamless, tailored experience specifically for your needs in the Belmont area. So why choose them? It boils down to efficiency and speed. They offer quick turnaround times, a team of experienced professionals providing clear communication and sound legal advice, and meticulous attention to detail. This minimizes potential issues, ensuring everything is handled accurately. Plus, their outstanding customer service means you'll feel truly supported. Let's tackle some frequently asked questions, shall we? First, what is residential property conveyancing? Simply put, it's the legal process of transferring property ownership. It involves preparing documents, conducting searches, and meeting legal requirements before settlement. Why hire a conveyancer instead of doing it yourself? Because an expert saves you time and stress. They navigate legal intricacies, ensure compliance, and help avoid pitfalls. The time frame? Typically 4 to 8 weeks, depending on complexity. Speaking of Belmont, it's a picturesque suburb nestled between Lake Macquarie and the Pacific Ocean, known for breathtaking views and vibrant culture. When you're dealing with property here, transparency is absolutely key. Conveyancing Newcastle prioritises open communication, clearly laying out all fees, procedures, and timelines. You'll feel confident knowing there are no surprises, fostering trust and alleviating stress during your home buying or selling journey. Let's move to property purchase assistance. Whether you're a first-time buyer or an investor, professional guidance makes all the difference. Your conveyancer provides vital legal advice, conducts thorough due diligence, meticulously reviews contracts, and manages settlement seamlessly. So why is residential property conveyancing essential for home buyers? Because it ensures every aspect of your transaction is handled correctly, safeguarding your investment. Without professional guidance, costly mistakes or delays can easily occur, creating unnecessary stress. Skilled conveyancers provide sound legal advice, helping you make truly informed decisions throughout the process. This ultimately offers you unparalleled peace of mind in what is often one of life's most significant investments. Ready to make your next property journey a breeze? Streamline your experience with our expert conveyancing services. Contact Conveyancing Newcastle today to book a call with their conveyancing expert for personalised property advice. We'll chat again